In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Wix in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to create an online store or simply want to add a shop to your existing website, Wix offers a straightforward and user-friendly platform to get started. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix homepage. This is the starting point where you'll access all your site building tools. Once you're on the website, keep an eye out for a button that says Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. Clicking on this button will guide you through the account creation process. Next, choose how you'd like to sign up. Wix provides several options for convenience. You can register with an email address or connect using your Facebook or Google account. Pick the one that works best for you, complete the sign-up process, and you'll be logged into the Wix platform. With your account set up, it's time to create your website. Wix gives you the flexibility to start with a blank canvas, choose from a wide variety of templates, or even use their AI-powered design tool to assist you. This choice depends on your comfort level and the amount of customization you desire. Templates are great for a quick start, while a blank canvas gives you the ultimate freedom to bring your creative vision to life. Once your site is designed to your liking, it's time to add products. Navigate to the section where you manage your store and start by adding your products. You'll need to decide on the type of product you're selling, whether it's physical, digital, or a service. Fill in the product details, including descriptions, prices, and images, and ensure you set up inventory management to track your stock levels efficiently. Now, let's talk about the nuts and bolts of transaction. You'll need to integrate payment providers. Wix supports various popular options, such as PayPal, Stripe, and many others, giving you flexibility based on your customer base. Also, take a moment to configure your shipping options and tax settings. Properly setting these parameters will ensure a seamless experience for your customers from checkout to receiving the product. Before you launch, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly is crucial, as many customers shop on their phones. Wix provides an option to preview your site on different devices, so take advantage of this feature to make any necessary adjustments. Finally, once everything is polished and ready to go, you're set to publish your website. Hit that Publish button and your online store will go live, ready for customers to visit and make purchases. And there you have it. You've just learned how to sell on Wix in 5 minutes. By following these steps, you're well on your way to running a successful online store. Good luck and happy selling.